you've just done, yeah?
Yeah, course you've just done. So, would you be comfortable saying just first name who you are and what it is the course about or what you got out of the course?
Right, okay, I'm not very good at this though, yeah.
No? Okay, do me this.
Yeah.
What's the latest transaction you did?
I can't tell you about that one. Right, I'll talk about the course. The latest transaction, it was the installment contract one. But I'd probably speak about the course better than speak about that.
Okay, so tell me about the course.
Right, okay.
Okay.
So you're going to edit this, yeah?
Yeah, good, yeah.
Hi, my name's Perry. I live in London, but I'm doing lots of work up in Scotland. I met Rick about a year and 2 months ago. Before I met Rick, I never knew much about the property finance at all. Since meeting Rick, I've learned a lot about it, installment contracts and lease options, and I've been very successful. Within the past 4 to 5 months, I've done 14 lease options in Scotland and 1 installment contract. Probably at the end of this year, with everything put together, I've made £400,000, which is pretty good for the first year.